Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the January-February Shots of Life kit. This kit comes out every other month. It's geared for your pocket page scrapbooking, so it does have 12 by 12 pattern paper with full backgrounds, but they're cut apart sheets, so they're perfect for your pocket pages, and then lots of embellishments. The other thing about the Shots of Life is that it coordinates with your flavors of the month, so it's a perfect add-on to it. Or the flavors of the month can be an add-on to the Shots of Life. So be sure to check it out. I'll have links at the end of the video. So we have lots of really fun themes this month and lots of embellishments. I can't wait to share it all with you. So let's dig in and we're going to take a closer look at all of it. So first we're going to look at the pattern paper, and like I said, these are all cut apart papers, but the backs are full 12 by 12 patterns. So you can use them for the front sides and cut them all apart, or you can use some of the back or the whole back if you want to do some traditional scrapbooking or other projects. If you're working in traveler's notebooks or mini albums, this kit is perfect. So first up we have from Echo Park. This is from Cupid and Company, and it's a Valentine's collection. This is the 3x4 cut apart. So many cute icons in this collection and cute sayings. When we have each other, we have everything. So I can kiss you anytime I want. I love that. And the back is hearts and X's and O's on a black background. Then we have a birthday collection. This is Let's Celebrate from Cartabella, so it's that heavy textured cardstock. And this is the 3x4 cut apart. So this is great. You can scrapbook in your pocket pages about a birthday. You can also make tons of cards with this. This makes really quick, simple, easy birthday cards, and I know we all need birthday cards. So again, lots of cute birthday icons, and it kind of has an old feel to it. Just kind of brings back memories of my childhood. We have Pin the Tail on the Donkey and the little balloon animals. Just super cute. The back is these circles in all of the different colors from this collection. Then we have from Simple Stories, Hello Today. So this is their collection. That's a year-round collection. And so this paper is for February. The cut aparts are 3x4 and 4x6. So of course some of them have the February theme. There's always a calendar and then a title card with the month. A couple of things, of course, love, 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 because February is the month of love. But then we also have just journaling cards and bigger cards that could be used for anything. It doesn't have to be just February or just love. So this collection is awesome. So hint, hint, this coordinates with flavors of the month. So you're going to be seeing some of this in some of those collections. The back is a pink polka dot on red. So this one is called February from Hello Today and Simple Stories. And then Simple Stories, this is their Valentine's collection called Sweet Talk, and this is the 3x4 cut apart. So another really great collection and more cards that are perfect for Valentine cards. So I love this one with the socks. So happy to find you. You mean the world to me. I welly, welly love you. You have my heart. Lots of love. And the back are sprinkles on pink. Love some sprinkles. Our next collection is Winter Market, and this is from Cartabella as well. Again, textured cardstock, really heavy. And I love the cut aparts like this because they give you all of these not normal sizes. So we have 3x4 and 4x6, but then we have some square ones. These are 2x2. We have some long ones. This is perfect for titles, and then these little bitty ones, perfect for embellishing. You can cut those apart, embellish so many little pockets, or on a full sheet, of course. More 2x2s up here. Snow days are the best days, the best memories. Let's build a snowman. There's Snow Place Like Home. Just adorable. And the back are all of these snowflakes that are like hand drawn on that blue background. From Echo Park, we have Coffee and Friends. So this collection is all about coffee. So you coffee lovers, you're going to love this. If you're not a coffee lover, then you can still use it. We have Wake Up and Caffeinate, which I wake up and caffeinate with either Diet Mountain Dew or my tea, which right now it's tea, especially hot tea. So you can use that for it. You can also just cover up the word coffee if you're not a coffee connoisseur. The back is this pink big plaid or check. It's just gorgeous. Love that color. We have another Valentine collection. So this is from Photo Play Paper. This is from Love Letters. This is called Love is in the Air. And we have 4x6, 3x4. This one is just a really sweet, sweet collection. The back are little white hearts on red. I love this paper. And look how pretty that is together. Then we have another one from Simple Stories. So if you guys are like me and you love Simple Stories, then this is the month. So this is their Simple Vintage Ancestry collection. And this is the 4x6 cut-aparts. I love these. These are gorgeous. And I love how Simple Stories has even included in their cut-aparts these patterns that are like all of the layered pieces without having to do any of the work, even on their small cut-aparts. It's just gorgeous. Love My Family. And then there's this vintage photo and key. So even in the smallest of elements, they're adding all of these little layers together for you. The little vintage camera and the bird, a stamp. It's just beautiful. And the back is this vintage paper here that's ledgers. So it's just a lot of different ledgers layered on top of each other. So that is a look at the pattern paper. So you can see all of the full 12x12 patterns. And then lots and lots of 3x4, 4x6, and those fun sizes. Now let's take a look at the embellishments. So this month, we're going to have lots and lots. Well, we always have lots and lots. But we have 3 sticker sheets. And sticker sheets are one of my favorite because they're just jam-packed full. So let's look at those first. So from Simple Stories, Hello Today. Remember, this is the year-long collection. So you're going to get all of the months of the year. Whoops. Hello, today, hey there, it's okay. A little chair with the enjoy. Love the typewriter, snapshots of happy life. So it's all about your day-to-day stuff. For the record, in this little wood box, lots of little word labels and this black polka dot scalloped border. So lots of fun on that one. From Simple Stories, Sweet Talk, we have large words for your titles. Lots of these sweet icons. Love the little sloth here. Birds. And of course, chocolates. Can't have February without chocolates. The little coffee mug. And the letters. And again, I love this floral scalloped border here and lots of word labels. And then from Winter Market and Cartabella, we have this sticker sheet. We have this border down here, that's that dark navy blue with the blue foliage on top, and then a row of word labels. So these are, you're the absolute best, so much fun, winter wonderland, warm winter wishes, and then another scalloped border up here, which has little pine cones and the leaves, just gorgeous. Look at the row of trees. You could build a little scene with it and the little woodland creatures. This banner that you could do a title with. We have several of the little mountains and mittens. So many cute icons to play with. From American Crafts, you're going to get a row of twine. Now these colors will vary. I got gray in my kit, but you may get another color. For the Simple Stories, the Vintage Ancestry, you're going to get a row of washi tape, and this too will vary. I got the one that has the cameos on it. So super cute. From the Echo Park Let's Celebrate collection. You're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So it is just chock full of all kinds of fun little ephemera all about birthdays. So those will vary, but you'll get half a pack of those. From 28 Lilac Lane sequins, you're going to get these, which are just gorgeous. I hope they show up for you. There's little pink hearts in there, and then red and pink and kind of a clear sequin. Just gorgeous. And then from Coffee and Friends, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera for these as well. So these will vary. So much it can't fit it all in the frame. But lots of little coffee sayings. Drink big and get a large cup. Thanks a latte. Lots of banners. So that's a look at everything that's coming your way in the Shots of Life kit for January and February. Again, be sure to check out that Flavors of the Month and all the other kits that we have available, as well as all the individual items in the store. Rochelle has so much in the store. Be sure to check it out. And come on over and join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have tons of challenges where you can win prizes, get to know everybody that's on board. We have such a fun group and a talented design team. So come play along with us. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.